back to the channel. Today's video, I'm back in my bathroom again because I absolutely have no clue where my tripod is. I've looked in all the spots in my room where I keep it. It's not in my closet, it's not in the kitchen. I've asked everyone that lives in this house. Nobody knows where it is. I even looked in the garage. I don't know why it would be in the garage, but it's disappeared. I have no idea what I did with it, and it's really starting to piss me off. Anyways, today's video is a Floerns haul, and I have not gotten into any of these packages. Normally by the time I film these videos, I've already started like getting into them and trying things out. That way I can like speak to it, but I just have been so busy. There's a lot of things going on right now, and I just haven't got around to it. So I've got 6 items that I want to share with you, and I'm pretty sure they all are like summer focused, and I think we have 3 swimsuits in today's haul. So if you are interested, go ahead, keep watching, and let's get into it. This is a 2-piece set. I think it's pants and a top that you can wear like multiple different ways. So this right here is the top, and it's the kind that you can go like this and tie in the back. Or I think there's a way that you can, like, I would have to look on like the instructions online, but it's the kind where it like crisscrosses or something like this style. You know what I'm saying? It's like a resort style top, but it can be worn 2 different ways. I will show you, and I'll show you both ways of how to wear it. And these are the bottoms. How fun. If I'm not mistaken, I think these come in different colors. Like, I chose the red, but I think there's like a green maybe. But these are really fun. They're very wide leg and flowy. And we have pockets. These are not double lined. Just thought that I would throw that little bit of information in there. And then here's what the bottom looks like. That's what pulls in the top and the bottom. This is gonna be so fun to wear at the beach. We have a trip coming up, and we're going to a resort, and I'm like so excited, and I'm definitely taking this with me. Okay, this is a dress. It's a halter top. I'll just go ahead since I'm standing. It's a halter top dress with a deep V cut, putting the girls on show. It ties at the neck, and we have this really pretty lace trim down the front. It is elastic around the back. Your whole back is gonna be exposed. I don't know if you can see this, but it has like a black sheer overlay. It is double lined. This is gonna be so fun to wear like on a date night. So excited. This is fun. Okay, so I just looked. This does look really big. I got this in a large. Oh, okay, I know why now. So if you go with the smaller sizes, you get less coverage in the bust area, and I'm not trying to have nipples out. So I went for the large so I get a little bit more coverage here. Since it is a tie at the neck, I can really like play with the adjustments. I just wanted that extra coverage over the girls. It comes to a cute little point, and then it also ties in the back. So fun. Now I don't know how this green is gonna look like on me, but we'll try it. This is a swimsuit as well, and it comes as a set. So this is actually a 1-piece. So we've got one shoulder like this. We've got this little middle seashell section right here, and then it kind of goes down into the 1-piece. So it is a 1-piece, but it looks like a 2-piece, but it's technically a 1-piece because it's all connected. This is the bottom half. Looks like you get really good coverage on the tush. This print, I don't know if you can see the seashell in there. It's a seashell print, so cute. But this one also comes with a cute little skirt as like a cover up. So cute. So you can actually wear this with the top, and it looks like an outfit. So I know I say this a lot. So if you've ever been on a cruise or a resort and they have like the restaurants on site or like on board, some restaurants, most actually, you're not allowed to go in just like your swimsuit. Like you have to have some type of cover, a dress, t-shirt, shorts, something like that. That's when these type situations come in clutch. So all you have to do is take this, it's made from the same material, put it on with that, and it's a whole outfit. And have your cute little pool sandals. You're fine. Like, no one would even know that it's a swimsuit. So it is a skirt, but then it also has this extra little wrappy piece. So cute, very stretchy. Also, I got this in a medium. Okay, it looks like this is a swimsuit. Fun colors. It's your traditional triangle string bikini. We have this diagonal stripe print with these little like jade green color beads in the middle. Adjustable straps. And it ties at the back. Here are the bottoms. They are very high-waisted, and it looks like it's gonna be somewhat cheeky. It's very close to being a thong if it's not a thong. The backside has this little ruching, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna appear to be a thong. So this is gonna be fun to try on. I don't have any swimsuits that are this cheeky, but you know, it is bikini season. This is another swimsuit. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so first off, it's blue. We have the traditional triangle, but look. Oh my gosh, this cute little flower detail. Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Love that. Okay, so it does have pads that you can remove, and it does have a tie in the back. Here are the bottoms with the same cute little flower detail at the hip. Oh, you can't see it. That's so cute though. We have tie on both sides, and this one is a little more full coverage compared to the other one, but still very cheeky. And I don't know why, but this color blue, for some reason on me, it always makes me look so tan, so I'm like so excited to wear this. I don't normally do this, but I just had to point out the fact that I just recorded that whole entire video and I'm not wearing any mascara. That's all. Bye. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Go, go. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. Laugh it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watching make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright. Please don't get me mad, I'm a nice guy. My baby say I'm cute, yeah, I'm type 5. I be waking up when you go night-night. In a different zone, what's the time? Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Go, go. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. I get it, I flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental. Going up, I'm on another level. All black clothes like a medal. Little this and this, little Ricky Rick. It's my grandmama, I'm her Nicky Nick. I just wanna love, but I've been hit or miss. I might up and leave, better take a pic. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. Go, go. Laugh it to the bank like ha 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 ha. I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds.